Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much to travel to Japan. To begin, understanding your overall budget is crucial. A 2-week adventure in Japan, excluding your international airfare, typically costs between $2,500 and $5,000 per person. This range accounts for various travel styles, from budget-conscious explorers spending around $100 daily to those seeking a more luxurious experience, which can easily exceed $300 per day. Planning ahead helps you tailor your trip perfectly. Next, let's talk about flights and where you'll rest your head. International round-trip flights to Japan usually fall between $800 and $1,500, depending on your departure city and booking time. For accommodation, budget-friendly options like hostels average $40 to $70 nightly. Mid-range hotels are typically $80 to $150, while luxury hotels or traditional ryokans can easily start at $200 and climb much higher, offering unique experiences. Now, let's cover your daily spending. For food, you can budget $30 to $70 per day, enjoying delicious street food, convenient store meals, and casual restaurant dining. Transportation, primarily trains and buses, will likely cost $10 to $25 daily. Entrance fees for attractions like temples and museums are generally $5 to $15 each. Consider a Japan Rail Pass for extensive travel. A 7-day pass is approximately $200, offering excellent value. Finally, here are some smart strategies to help you save. Traveling during shoulder seasons, like spring or autumn, often yields better prices for flights and hotels compared to peak times. Embrace convenience stores for affordable and tasty meals and snacks. Using a Suica or Pasmo card for public transport not only simplifies travel, but can also offer slight savings. Don't forget to explore Japan's many free attractions, including beautiful parks, serene shrines, and engaging walking tours, to keep your budget in check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.